As a culinary enthusiast and home cook, I've always been on the lookout for kitchen appliances that can elevate my cooking game. When I first heard about the Breville Mini Smart Oven, I was intrigued but skeptical. Could a compact countertop oven really deliver the performance and versatility I crave? After months of putting this little powerhouse through its paces, I'm excited to share my comprehensive review. From crispy toast to perfectly roasted vegetables, this oven has become an indispensable part of my kitchen arsenal. Join me as I dive into the features, performance, and overall experience of using the Breville Mini Smart Oven. When I unboxed the Breville Mini Smart Oven, I was immediately struck by its sleek, modern design. The stainless steel exterior exudes a professional quality that instantly elevated the look of my kitchen countertop. Despite its compact size, the oven has a substantial feel, hinting at the robust construction and quality materials used. Features. The Breville Mini Smart Oven is packed with impressive features that make it stand out from other toaster ovens on the market. First and foremost, it boasts Element IQ technology, which intelligently distributes heat across 4 quartz heating elements. This ensures precise and stable heat distribution, resulting in perfectly cooked meals every time. One of the standout features is the 8 preset cooking functions, including toast, bagel, bake, roast, broil, pizza, cookies, and reheat. These presets take the guesswork out of cooking and make it easy to prepare a wide variety of dishes with just the touch of a button. Despite its compact size, the Mini Smart Oven has a surprisingly spacious interior. It can accommodate 4 slices of toast, an 11-inch pizza, or even a small roast. This makes it perfect for small households or as a secondary oven for larger families. The backlit LCD display is another feature I appreciate. It calculates and displays the correct cooking time and temperature, changing from orange to blue when the cooking cycle is complete. This visual indicator is incredibly helpful, especially when multitasking in the kitchen. Cooking performance. When it comes to cooking performance, the Breville Mini Smart Oven truly shines. I've used it for everything from toasting bread to baking cookies, and I'm consistently impressed by the results. The toasting function is particularly noteworthy. Unlike many toaster ovens that produce unevenly brown toast, this oven delivers perfectly golden slices every time. The ability to adjust the darkness level and the number of slices ensures that you get your toast exactly how you like it. For baking, the oven's performance is equally impressive. I've made everything from cookies to small cakes, and they've all turned out wonderfully. The convection feature, which activates automatically for certain functions, ensures even heat distribution and results in perfectly baked goods. One of my favorite uses for this oven is reheating leftovers. Unlike a microwave that can leave food soggy, the Mini Smart Oven crisps up pizza and reheats casseroles to perfection. It's like having restaurant-quality leftovers at home. Temperature accuracy. Temperature accuracy is crucial for any oven, and the Breville Mini Smart Oven doesn't disappoint. In my experience, it maintains consistent temperatures throughout the cooking process, which is essential for achieving reliable results. The oven's temperature range is impressive, spanning from 120 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This wide range allows for everything from low-temperature dehydrating to high-heat broiling. I've tested the temperature accuracy with an oven thermometer and found it to be remarkably precise. This level of accuracy gives me confidence when following recipes that require specific temperatures, especially for baking where precision is key. The preheating process is also notably quick. The oven typically reaches the desired temperature in just a few minutes, which is significantly faster than my full-size oven. This not only saves time, but also energy, making it an efficient choice for smaller cooking tasks. Size and design. The Breville Mini Smart Oven strikes an excellent balance between compact size and cooking capacity. Measuring 16 x 13.6 x 8.8, it fits comfortably on my countertop without dominating the space. Despite its mini moniker, I've found it to be more than adequate for most of my day-to-day cooking needs. The stainless steel exterior not only looks sleek, but is also durable and easy to clean. A quick wipe with a damp cloth is usually all it takes to keep it looking pristine. The non-stick interior is another thoughtful design feature that makes cleanup a breeze, especially after messy cooking tasks like roasting or broiling. One design aspect I particularly appreciate is the 3-rack positions. This flexibility allows me to adjust the rack height depending on what I'm cooking, ensuring optimal results whether I'm broiling a piece of fish or baking a batch of cookies. The oven door is well designed with a large, comfortable handle and a smooth opening mechanism. The glass is double-layered, which helps to keep the exterior cooler and improves energy efficiency. Ease of use. One of the standout features of the Breville Mini Smart Oven is its user-friendly interface. The control panel features 3 main dials. 1. Function dial for selecting the cooking mode. 2. Temperature dial. 3. Time dial. This intuitive layout makes it easy to program the oven, even for those who aren't particularly tech-savvy. The backlit LCD display provides clear feedback, showing the selected function, temperature, and cooking time. I particularly love the "A Bit More" button, a unique feature that allows you to add a little extra cooking time if needed. This is especially useful when toasting, as it lets you achieve the perfect level of brownness without starting the cycle over. Another thoughtful feature is the oven's ability to remember your last used settings for each function. This is a real-time saver when you're preparing familiar dishes. The included accessories, a baking pan, broil rack, and pizza pan are of high quality and fit perfectly in the oven. They're also dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup even easier. Energy efficiency. One of the unexpected benefits I've discovered with the Breville Mini Smart Oven is its energy efficiency. Because it preheats so quickly and cooks food faster than a conventional oven, I find myself using less energy overall. This is not only good for my electricity bill, but also for the environment. The oven's compact size means it requires less energy to heat up and maintain temperature compared to a full-size oven. I've noticed a decrease in my energy bills since I started using this oven for most of my day-to-day cooking tasks. Durability. After months of regular use, my Breville Mini Smart Oven shows no signs of wear and tear. The sturdy construction and high-quality materials give me confidence that this appliance will last for years to come. The 1-year limited warranty provides additional peace of mind, although based on my experience and the oven's build quality, I don't anticipate needing to use it. The control knobs have a solid feel and show no signs of loosening, even after frequent use. The door hinge remains smooth and sturdy, and the interior elements continue to perform flawlessly. Value for money. While the Breville Mini Smart Oven is priced higher than some basic toaster ovens, I believe it offers excellent value for money. Its versatility, performance, and durability justify the investment. I found myself using my full-size oven less frequently, which could lead to energy savings in the long run. When you consider the multiple appliances it can potentially replace, a toaster, a small baking oven, and even a pizza oven, the value proposition becomes even clearer. For small households or those with limited kitchen space, this oven could be the only countertop cooking appliance you need. Potential drawbacks. In the interest of providing a balanced review, it's important to mention a few potential drawbacks of the Breville Mini Smart Oven. 1. Exterior heat. The exterior of the oven can get quite hot during use, particularly during high-temperature cooking or extended use. Care must be taken to avoid burns, and it's important to ensure adequate clearance around the oven. 2. Size limitations. While the interior is spacious for a mini oven, it may not be sufficient for larger families or those who frequently cook large meals. It can't accommodate a standard 9 by 13-inch baking dish, which might be limiting for some recipes. 3. Learning curve. While the oven is generally user-friendly, there's a bit of a learning curve to master all its functions and achieve optimal results. It may take some experimentation to find the perfect settings for your favorite dishes. 4. Price. As mentioned earlier, this oven is more expensive than basic toaster ovens. While I believe it offers good value for money, the initial investment might be a deterrent for some buyers. So, should you buy it? After extensive use, I can confidently say that the Breville Mini Smart Oven has exceeded my expectations in almost every way. Its combination of smart features, excellent cooking performance, and compact design make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Whether you're a culinary enthusiast or someone who simply wants to make quick, delicious meals, this oven delivers. From perfectly toasted bread to evenly baked cookies, From crispy pizza to juicy roasted meats, the Mini Smart Oven has consistently impressed me with its versatility and reliability. The Element IQ technology and preset cooking functions take the guesswork out of cooking, while the intuitive controls make it a joy to use. While it may not completely replace a full-sized oven for large families or elaborate meals, it's perfect for everyday cooking tasks and small households. The energy efficiency and time-saving features are added bonuses that make this appliance even more appealing. In conclusion, I wholeheartedly recommend the Breville Mini Smart Oven to anyone looking for a high-quality, versatile countertop oven. It's an investment in better cooking and more enjoyable meal preparation. Whether you're upgrading from a basic toaster or looking for a secondary oven to complement your full-sized one, the Breville Mini Smart Oven is sure to impress and become an indispensable part of your culinary arsenal.